In today's video, we're going to be doing a Simon Says. Let's go.
Yes, sniper.
Okay, what are you going to do for the first Simon Says?
I can do something?
Yeah,
Okay.
you choose.
Simon said do the same pose as that guy right there.
What is it?
The red guy. What the?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually.
Okay, good job.
works.
Okay.
Simon says stop. He's disqualified.
Okay.
What did you say?
I think
Now,
he left the server.
I said
Everyone
Simon
go in there.
Says stop.
Yeah, he left.
Good.
When that's stupid.
Okay. Now. Okay. Now you think of another thing. Oh, stay in line.
Simon says touch somebody's butt. Ah!
Yeah.
Wow.
Dog.
Yeah.
I did it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh my God,
Simon
real
says
male
stop.
dog.
Simon says stop. Simon says go to screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Simon says grapple your grappler and then let go right in this pile.
I don't have to. I'm attached. Fucking bastards.
Okay.
Okay, Simon says
good.
buy a backpack and put the grapplers inside.
No, bruh. Okay, yeah, sure.
They're mine. They're all mine. Nigger.
Bro, you killed him. Why is the hook still there?
Dump out all your grapplers.
I don't have to. I just did.
Bruh, you. I didn't say
kill him,
Simon
kill
Says.
him.
All the grapplers.
You're out. Leave.
You're out, buddy. I'm sorry. You don't win the key.
Kiss him. Bro, I'm gonna go kiss him tonight, bro.
I didn't
Oh
say
yeah, give
Simon
me a
Says.
kiss.
Daddy.
At least give me a
I
kiss.
kissed him. No.
Yo, guys,
not
line
you.
back up.
Not you.
I'm sorry, but
Yeah.
you're disqualified. I'm so sorry.
Hey, garlic.
Look at that scrunch.
Okay, guys. Now it's just down to two people left.
He's gonna commit suicide.
Or
No.
he's gonna kill someone.
Oh. Okay.
That
Simon
someone was
says
himself.
Well, actually, wait. How about? Wait, you yellow. I think yellow. We're gonna
You're
do
really dark
something.
yellow.
Everyone vote. Who wants him to still be in the game?
Not me.
Eric? Oh, I think
Yeah, his headset died.
it's a 50-50. Okay, so
Paper.
one last time.
How
one last
about a
time.
race? How about a race? How about a race instead?
Okay.
From here all the way to the rocket ship. What you right at the rocket ship?
Okay.
No grapplers. No grapplers.
Oh, I don't know. I'll tell you guys when to go. Okay.
We can start.
I'll tell you guys when to go. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
He's grabbing grappler and the thing. I said no items.
Grappler,
Yeah,
You said no
allowed.
grapplers. You said no grapplers. That's all he
That's
said.
still
He never
cheating.
said. He said no grapplers. He never said no rocket.
Okay, restart.
He did say no
items
grapplers.
at all.
No, I know, but I used a rocket.
Okay.
Well, no items, okay? Hold
Yeah,
on.
let's just
But
restart.
I'm heavy. I have some of my stuff.
Then
Too
just-
bad. Put it down then.
You
That easy. Put it down.
Just tell me, guys. Tell me when you guys are in position.
We're in position.
3, 2, 1, go! He made it! Okay, guys, now Simon
I want you
says
back.
grab a car and drive into here. it inside the crater to be able to count.
Alright, I'm in.
Same here.
I'm doing a flip.
Okay, we're
I'm
good.
doing a front
I made it.
wheelie.
But you don't have a car. in
Yo,
here.
jump out. Oh, I just had it in here, and then got knocked out because the other two hit me.
Oh.
Dump out another one of those
Well, no one's
grapplers.
gonna get eliminated from this.
Dump out to another one of the
But
grapplers.
there will
big
be
boy.
an elimination. Okay. So, take out the car, then we'll do the next Simon Says.
Already
Simon
did.
Says take out the car. Actually, I should say. Okay. Yo.
Feels like yellow in there.
Well, anyway, where's the other guy? Okay. So, guys. Simon Says... Simon Says buy any item. Any item.
I bought a rocket.
Okay. Now Simon Says, bruh, hold on to the item. Hold on to the, get the item you buy. Okay. Throw the items outside the crater.
Wait a second.
I was the first one in here because I was the one with the rocket.
Wait, bro, I didn't say Simon Says, and all of you did it. Look. None of you are out because all of you said
I
that.
realized he said Simon Says, so I got mine back. So I'm not eliminated.
No one's eliminated because everybody threw their item, so it's fine. Bruh, that's crazy.
Big boy. Come here, big girl. Oh, yeah, orange dog. They look cheap.
But anyway, okay.
Oh,
Simon
yeah.
Says get back in line. Okay. Simon Says.
What's the nuke server?
Let's see.
Can't use.
Simon Says follow me.
You have to stay behind him, guys. Remember, since it's follow and not go exactly where I'm going.
Hey, my rocket!
Where's the big boy?
Simon Says hop on the car. Like in any way. Just
Wait, does this count? If I
Yes, that does count.
yeah, if you grapple, it counts. Just grab on in any
Okay,
way.
I'm gonna stay on the back. Right here.
Wait, I'm gonna go under the car.
Okay. Simon
me second.
Says if you
Hey,
fall
this
off
dude's
the
copying
car, you are eliminated.
Wait a second.
I will never fall off the car.
Okay, well Simon Says if you do, you will get eliminated.
Wait, dude, I'm not even on it. I wasn't even on it.
Okay, I'll stop.
He wasn't on it. He dropped his
Bruh.
grapple. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Whoever gets off, whoever falls off, will be eliminated.
Hey, he grabbed on it. He grabbed on the back. Wait, grab on the back.
We're all grapplers.
Okay,
Look.
well, doesn't seem like any of you fell, which is good for all of you. Now, Simon Says we're gonna play a game. Okay.
How are we supposed to play the game if we're stuck on here?
Simon Says you can let go. Okay.
I let go.
Simon Says line up. Simon Says line up.
Bro, I'm stuck.
Still your
I can't grapple on my hip.
Daddy.
You're both eliminated. I'm just kidding.
Yay, I win it.
Stop.
Yay!
Come here.
Stand
Stand right here. Stand right here.
Simon says we're gonna play a game. A game of your choice.
Oh yeah.
You guys name.
Tag. Tag.
Okay, that could
Well,
work.
I'll go back and get the stinky cheese for that.
Okay, well, hold on. Any other suggestions?
Cause you can't play tic-tac-toe in this game.
Yep. If we have sticks, we can make a tic-tac-toe thing. Board.
I don't care.
Okay, well, yeah, let's
Please?
do tag. You go get the cheese, and then...
Okay, I'll be back with the cheese.
So we're gonna play a game of tag. Okay. So now...
Okay, since it was my idea, I say that orange is the first one.
Yeah, I am gonna be the tagger. Whoever gets tagged twice, let's say, whoever gets tagged twice is out.
Can we say no items?
Yeah, no,
I'm in a-
Simon says no items allowed. I'll give you guys a 10-second head start.
Wait, well, how about we do a death match? The last person standing gets that, no matter what, since me and him have to go.
Yeah,
Soon.
yeah.
Okay,
Go!
3. Run! Run! Those are the... Oh yeah, there it is.
Simon says
3.
run.
Did you all get blasted?
I give you a 10-second head start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Never mind. Okay, that's 1. Let me give it back to you.
Yeah, tag it back. Now, I won't be able to tag you next.
Wait, can we have it that if we get tagged once, we can only use 1 item, but it can't be damaging, and it can't be a grappler, and it can't be the cars,
Cat?
and no rockets.
You can use a
Please?
stick.
Okay.
Wait, did he get tagged? Did he
Yeah,
get
tag
tagged?
him once.
I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Wait, I'm stuck! This ain't
Okay,
fair! I'm
listen.
stuck!
Okay, dude,
You got
we're
tagged
allowed
once.
stick. We're allowed
Okay.
stick.
That was one of your lives. I can't tag you next, and you can have a stick. Only
That's a cat.
only a stick.
Where's the yellow dude?
I don't
I'm pretty
Yo,
sure
dude, you here?
No!
That was your second tag. Here, tag me back. Bro, tag me back. Bro,
I'm
not
crash
trying
out.
to.
Oh my god.
You're out anyway.
You won!
Hello? Wait, where's the other guy?
His game, he died.
Oh, it died? Well, then you won.
Here, I have.
You get the key.
Wait,
Here.
can I still get a prize?
Thank you for watching. Me and my friend, he is now the winner of this challenge. He gets the golden key of despair.